兩文三語可以幫助我哋同唔同背景嘅人溝通，
向世界各地唔同嘅人弘揚中華文化，
令香港成為中外文化藝術交流中心。
唔知啲遊客對香港嘅認識有幾深呢？
等我哋一齊去問下啦。
Let's go!
Hi, may we ask you some questions?
Sure, sure. That's all right.
請問你係飲緊嘅飲品？
Sorry, English.
英文同埋普通話都係國際語言，可以等我哋同外國人溝通。
Yeah, that's fine. Sure, go
Let
ahead.
me do this, Sam. Have you ever tried this local drink?
No, I did not. What drink is it?
I will tell you the answer after you drink.
I'm not trying. Okay. Oh, interesting. Yeah.
So, how does it?
That's really good.
Yin Yang is a tasty mixture of coffee and milk tea.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you for your time.
Thank you for very good English. Very smart. Okay, thank you.
兩文三語有助於宣傳香港文化。
像那个博物馆。对对对，这是世界上规模比较大的一个著名博物馆之一。
香港作為一個國際大都會，
喺語言上中英普並用，
亦為世界提供咗一個互相認識、互動嘅平台。
一齊嚟學好兩文三語啦！